Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. We have already started our chapter number 3. In that chapter, we have left some of the exercise which is here on this page number 30 where you will find out this exercise. How will I go from 22 to 41, jump from 22 to 41 and then one step left, we can write it like this. Okay. So यहाँ पर क्या बोला है कि भाई ये जो एंट है उसको जाना है 22 टू 41. तो अब क्या करेंगे उसके लिए 22 से 32 पे जाएंगे. Then from 32 we will move to the 42 and from 42 we will move backward one step and we will reach at 41. So based on that there is a question, how many steps did I go in all? So total 3 steps. You could also go this way. From 22, take one step left to 21 and then move to 31 and then move 10 step to 41. So this using this 3 step you can reach 41. Look at the page number 32 where you will find out this. These are the simple addition. Fine. So यहाँ पर आपको simple addition की practice दी गई है and that we have to do it. It is a Is there a shortcut to do this? अगर इसका कोई shortcut है तो आपको बताना है. So what will you do? See, 47 is equal to 37 plus 10. तो 37 प्लस 10 तो उसका शॉर्टकट क्या है. यहाँ पे देखो 0 प्लस 7 7 आएगा एंड 3 प्लस 1 4. सो 47. अभी क्या है 37 प्लस 9. तो 30 यहाँ पर 9 ऐड करना है. तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट काउंटिंग लाइक दिस. वी कैन डू द स्मार्ट वर्क ओवर हियर. 37 प्लस 10 47. 47 में से एक माइनस हुआ 46. ओके. सो दिस वे आपको समझ आया. मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे मैंने 10 ऐड किया और उसमें से एक माइनस किया बिकॉज 10 minus 1 is 9. So that's why first I'm adding 10 in this and then minus 1 from the answer. Now next 65 minus 30. So what will you do in this? First you will write down here this way 10s and 1s. 5 minus 0 5 and 6 minus 3 3. That's super easy. Now next, will it be easier to go to 46 plus 20? That's super easy. देखो यहाँ पर क्या है 46 plus 20. तो ये जाना बहुत easy है. 46 plus 10 56. 56 plus 10 66 plus 1 67. So this way you will do it orally. क्या किया हमने पहले 46 plus 20 किया फिर उसके अंदर 1 ऐड किया. So 46 plus 10 56. 56 plus 10 66 plus 1 67. Next, this is a subtraction. That is very simple. Just put a tens and ones over here. So 7 minus 0 7 and 8 minus 3 5. Simple. अभी क्या करना है? Here you are having box in middle. So 66 minus blank is equal to 11. So what will you do in this? In this case you will do the subtraction. आप यहाँ पर क्या करोगे? Subtraction करोगे. See, in subtraction you are going to subtract from the bigger number. Fine. So this is the bigger number. From this bigger number you will subtract the answer. Then you will get the second number. So 6 minus 1 5 and 6 minus 1 5. So that's the answer. Next is plus. Again plus में सबसे बड़ा number answer में होता है. Make sure that's the trick to remember. Here is the biggest number. From the biggest number, you will subtract the first number and then you will get the second number. Same thing we are applying over here in subtraction. You are going to subtract the answer from the biggest number and you will get the second number. Okay. So here is 9 minus 5, 4, and 9 minus 4, 5. See, we are getting the answer. Tens, ones. टेंस वंस, तो वंस में से 9 में से 5 किया 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, so I am getting the answer. Now next क्या है? Here after addition you will get the big number. Again one number is given, one number is missing. What will you do? You will do the subtraction. Same thing, 75 tens ones. Okay, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 6, not possible. So what will you do in this? Definitely borrow lena padega, like this. 15 and 6, 4 and 9. So here is 49. Next again, here you are getting the subtraction. Fine. So subtraction hai, to here on the first place you will get the bigger number. But is that so what will you do in this? You are going to add both the numbers. 1 plus 5, 6, and 3 plus 2, 5. See, now you are getting that answer. Make sure अगर subtraction में first place पे box है तो यहाँ पर आपको addition करना है ताकि सब जगह पे minus. Same thing, here you are getting the bigger number. One number is not given, one number is given. So 36 is equal to blank plus 9. So what will you do? You will subtract 9 from 36, then you will get the second number. So 36 minus 9. Here is 16 and here is 2. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So it's 7. Your answer is 27. Okay. Next is 40 plus blank is equal to 76. Again, you will do the subtraction. That's super easy. Without borrow, you can do it. 6 minus 0, 6, and 7 minus 4, 3. Because हमेशा बड़े में से छोटे नंबर को माइनस करना है. So make sure, write down the place above and do the subtraction. Again, it's a plus sign. One number is given and another we have to find out. So what will you do? We will subtract 50 from 98. So here is a tens and ones. 8 minus 0, 8, and 9 minus 5, 4. Next, bigger number is given and this is a subtraction sum. So what will you do? This would be subtract from this. So here is a bigger number. Write down tens 1, 7 minus 0, 7, and 5 minus 2, 3. I think this is the shortcut for writing this kind of blanks. Now open your workbook, page number 47, where you will find out the exercise number 3. Write the answer to the following question and cross out the answer from the table given below. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to write down the answer and cross out that answer from the table. So 1, 3, 13 add to 45 given. So what will you do? Tens and ones, 13. 5 ones and ones. 3 and plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 1, 58. Again 22 plus 19. So here tens and ones, we can do the horizontal addition like this. So 9, 10, 11. 11 का 1 और carry गई यहाँ पे. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. First of all, we are going to solve all the answers and then afterward we will cross out in this table. So 15 subtracted from 42 gives 50 subtracted from 42. अभी यहाँ पे from 42. So 42 is a bigger number and we have to subtract 15 from it. तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी आर गोइंग टू टेक बोरो. Here is a 12 and here is a 3. So 12 minus 5. You have to start counting after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 7 cuts. So your ones place you are having 7 and 3 minus 1 is 2. Next, number 4, 67 minus 52. 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. 48 added to 4 gives 48 plus 4. So you can count it easily like this. 48, after 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. So 8 plus 37, after 37. Okay, if you don't want to do that way, so here is a ones place, so add the ones place, and 8 plus C, 7 plus 7, 14, plus 1, 15, 15 ka 5, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Now 37 subtracted from 93 gives, we have to subtract the 37 from 93. So again, tens, ones, 3 minus 7. Not possible. Take a borrow. Here is a 13 and here is a 8. So 7, 13 minus 7. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many cards are this? These are 6 cards. So in ones place you will get 6. And 8 minus 3, 5. Blank is the greatest one-digit number. So that is 9. 74 minus 23. So 4 minus 3, 1. And 7 minus 2, 5. 34 plus 44. 4 plus 4, 8. And 3 plus 4, 7. Blank is the greatest two-digit number. Greatest two-digit number. In the greatest digit, you will get the combination of 9 only. 15 added to 58 gives. 15 added to 58. Okay, हम दोनों का addition करेंगे. 5 plus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Reducing 33 by 14 gives. Okay, 33 में से ये minus करना है. So that's super easy. You can take borrow. Here is a 13 and here is a 2. So after 4, you will start counting after 4 till 30. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 9. And 2 minus 1, it's 1. 97 minus 27. So here we can see that 7 minus 7, 0. And 9 minus 2, 7. 69 and 26 more is. So here what you have to do, you have to add both the numbers, right? So 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5. देखो यहाँ पे 6 मतलब 5 plus 1 हुआ. So here is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 5, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 8 and 9. See, we are doing the horizontal addition this way. Now what you have to do in this, you have to find out this number from the table and crossed out like this, like 58. Here you will 58, 41, 27. Where is 27? Here is 27. So this way, similar way, you will cross out the number yourself from the table. Next exercise, add, and this is the revision exercise. We have already learned the addition, how to do addition and subtraction in second standard. Still I am going to show you how to add the number. There are some addition with carry and without carry. So I'm going to do some random sums. Okay, and rest of the sums you have to try yourself and finish in homework. I'm going to show you the trick how to count it easily. 65 plus 24. So first you will add 5 plus 4. So 5 in your mind, 4 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here is a 9. 6 plus 2. So what will you do? You will keep the 6 in your mind and 2 in your finger. After 6, 7 and 8. 89. Same thing, I'm skipping the second number, and 34 plus 32. So what will you do in this? 4 plus 2 first. Pehle ones place, then tens place. 4 plus 2. So 4 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 4, 5 and 6. And 3 plus 3. 3 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the way you can do the addition. I'm going to do this. 45 plus 33. So what will you do in this? 45 plus 33. So 5 plus 3. 5 in your mind. 3 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 3. 4 in your mind. 3 in your finger. Start counting after 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is your answer. Next, here 62 plus 27. So in that case, first you will add 2 plus 7. But here you will keep the big number in your mind and make the finger for the smaller number. So here is a 2. So after 7, 8 and 9. 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 6, 7 and 8. Okay, next is these are the addition with carry. So what will you do in this case? You are going to make fingers, or you can also count the cut if you are not comfortable with the fingers in two hands. So I'm going to show it by using the cuts. So first you are going to add the ones place. 7 plus 9. So 9 in your mind. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. See, here is the 7 number cut. So here is a 16. And carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So here 67 plus 33. So 7 plus 3. 7 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Don't forget to add the carry. Now next is 75 plus 17. So 5 plus 7. 7 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. See, the rest of the sum you can complete it yourself in homework. Next, see, I'm going to show you the addition with 0. 0 plus 9, 9 and 6 plus 1, 7. See, the sums which are not completed in this lecture, that I will do it in your live lecture. So don't miss it. 2 plus 7, and if you are not able to attend the live lecture, then I show you the easiest method right now. So please concentrate in this. Then afterward, if you are trying yourself, you will know how to do it. So 2 plus 7. So keep the 7 in your mind, 2 in your finger. जो छोटा नंबर है उतनी फिंगर आपको हाथ में बनानी है, और बड़ा नंबर है वो दिमाग में रखना है, और ये बड़े नंबर के आफ्टर नंबर के बाद आपको काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करना है. सो आफ्टर 7, 8, 9. सेम थिंग इज हैपन हियर. 7 plus 2 is 9. Next, 8 plus 5. So keep the 8 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Make sure every time while you are saying plus one means the next number, हमेशा उसका next number ही उसका आंसर होता है.